Bayou Country, Frontierland, Adventureland, and Star Wars Galaxy Edge. Next up, Nolan Square.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there, literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off.
All right, everyone, we're now making the way into New Orleans Square Station. Please remain seated until we come to a full complete stop. Then there's a stop, please get away from the west step as you exit. The stop once again for long. New Orleans Square. Bayou Country, Frontierland, Adventureland, Galaxy attractions such as Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway, the Matterhorn, and the Star Wars Bayou Adventure, Indiana Jones Jungle, and so much more. Please remain seated, folks, until we come to a full complete stop. Welcome to Bayou, folks, to New Orleans Square Station. We're almost there. Please stay seated, everyone. Once again, folks, please make sure everyone stays seated at all times. Please not stand up when the train's in motion.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the red party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. The inhabitants of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney
All right, folks, now arriving Toontown Depot. Please remain seated to come to a full complete stop. And this is stop is getting belonging to one step as you exit. This stop once again all Toontown fans and attractions. Once again, please stay seated to come to a full complete stop. Welcome to Toontown fans and everyone. This is Toontown Depot.
It's Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Why don't you like Matterhorn? Yeti. Is there one you can go on without the Yeti? No. You'll be fine.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required.
If you want to get parents, make sure to know safe police here at all times on the bottom. Thank you very much.
Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully.
All right, folks, now we're in Tomorrowland Station. This is basically beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away. Please stay seated to come to a full complete stop. If this is not gather home for your belongings, please watch them as you exit. This is the most small attractions of the Star Tours, Autopia, and Space Mountain. Once again, folks, please remain seated to come to a full complete stop. Welcome to future, this is the Disneyland Station, where everything here is just a trip away. And for the Grand Canyon, the Primal World right to the tunnel up ahead. As for the tunnel, at the side, please refrain from flash photography. The video lighting and all electrical accessories must be turned off at this time to not disturb any of the wildlife. Once again, our next stop is back to Main Street, USA.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully.
All right, everyone, here we are back at Main Street Station. Please remain seated from the full complete stop. If this is your stop, please get your belongings in one step as you exit. If you're exiting here, please keep strollers and wheelchairs folded. And stairs only the ramps and elevators, so keep them forward to reach the bottom of the steps. We hope you enjoyed the trip and we'll see you again real soon. This is Main Street Station.